everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1970 Plymouth Cuda. This car has got 2,100 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Beautiful car, guys. The car's body color underneath, the way it is on the top. Really just a no expense spared resto, guys. It is gorgeous. Factory color combination, factory Y3 yellow. It's got the super cool Gator grain top with tan interior. Factory 340 car. It doesn't have the matching numbers engine, but it does have a 340 in it. 727 Torqueflite trans, full wheel disc brakes. Super cool car, guys. It's out of North Carolina. So it's got a good solid straight body, but really just turn the key, take it right to a car show. Stunning car. A little crack there in your front grille. There's always something you can nitpick, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. Paint is slick as can be. It's got the sport hood. Super cool Gator grain top. That is really neat. Glass is nice in the car. Sorry guys, just a little dust. They get dusty out here quick, unfortunately. Not a whole lot you could really nitpick on this car, guys. This thing is stunning. It's got Boyd 18 and 20-inch wheels on it, all brand new rubber all the way around it. It's got that Cuda rear valance with the chrome tips. And like I say, this thing on the bottom is just as nice as it is on the top. It's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Dual sport mirrors. Again, this is a factory 340 car, non-matching numbers car, but it does have a 340 in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock RPM aluminum intake on it. Stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic ignition. It's got the Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers on it. All detailed up real nice underneath the hood. It's got 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. This is actually a remade fender tag. The original fender tag is actually in the glove box. Gorgeous car. I love that Gator grain top, man. That's just super cool. Great conversation piece. See how nice the stainless is on the car? I mean, this is just a very nice car. Factory tan interior. Cool color combo, very different. I don't think you're going to pull into a show and see another one like it. bucket seats, console, seats are all redone. Factory tach and gauges. It's AM FM radio. 2158 on your odometer. Even your clock in there works. Even the light on the center console, the indicators for the shift gears works. It's dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. Stunning car, man. Just beautiful. See, it's all body color in here like it should be. Now I'll tell you one thing, you drive this thing down the road, you know, a lot of e-bodies are kind of, they rattle. This thing is nice and tight, man. See how nice this thing is underneath. We got some good pictures on the underside for you, and it's gorgeous. Turn the key, take it right to the car show. Pretty car, man. You know, when it's all said and done, it'd take you 2 years of your life and $100,000 to build a car like this, man. That's why we always tell people, buy them done. It's good running 340, guys. See, I'm gonna have you come pin the hood. Gauges are all working. Tach does work. Jay, just having him pin the hood here real quick. Tach works. You hear that AM FM in there working? Even the backup lights work. This car is nice. Blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor works too, guys. AM FM works. Fit and finish is excellent on the car. Oh, your fender mount turn signals. I don't know if you can see that one. Now this one's not working. I think it does work though. Yeah, I know that works. We'll check it. It's probably a bulb. I know that side was working. Could be a little connection too. A lot of times open and shut. Got one fog light that's out. Do that one again. Yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Look how pretty that thing is. That car is gorgeous. Have a great day, guys.